Summer Infant Medicine Dispenser Kit with Medicator by SI is one of the best sellers among baby medicine dispensers products. Easy to grip and use syringe. Syringe has a pacifier-style shield that makes syringe safer to use. Attachable tip so the syringe will fit down into most medicine bottles. Easy to fill spoon that stands vertically. No mess medicine dispenser. BPA-free. Easy and safe for infants. Designed by a pediatrician, the Summer Infant Medicine Dispenser Kit makes it easy for parents to give their child medicine with the easy-to-grip and use syringe. Includes an attachable tip so it will reach down into most medicine bottles. Also included is an easy-to-fill spoon that stands vertically for easy filling. Are you still using a spoon of honey to make your baby take medicine? Then you probably haven't heard about Munchkin the Medicator. This is a mess-free liquid medicine dispenser for infants designed by a pediatrician. The design bypasses taste buds so the chances of spitting are lessened for medicine that goes down easily.